Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable terminal in cPanel. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So first of all, open your cPanel and I'm going to show you something. Inside of this advanced section, here you can see terminal is not showing up here because this is still not enabled. To enable terminal, first of all search here manage SSH, search here manage shell and then click on manage shell and enable SSH access. Turn on this and after that log out from your cPanel and re-log in into your cPanel, and then again I'm going to advanced section and then here we can see terminal is showing up here because I have successfully enabled terminal. So this is how we can enable terminal in cPanel. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to unmute it. Thank you for watching.